You can make money while you sleep by generating passive income through methods like renting out property, creating and selling digital products such as online courses or eBooks, or building a blog or YouTube channel to monetize content. In this video, we are going to talk about passive income ideas. Earn money while you sleep. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. 1. Sell digital product. Selling digital products is one of the smartest and most scalable ways to earn money online. Unlike physical products, digital goods like eBooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, or digital art require no inventory, no shipping, and once created, can be sold unlimited times with almost zero extra cost. Start by identifying your niche and understanding what people need help with. Maybe you're great at designing, writing, teaching, or coding. Turn that skill into a valuable product. For example, if you're a graphic designer, sell editable Canva templates. If you're a writer, create digital guides or planners. If you're a fitness coach, launch a workout ebook or training program. Once your product is ready, set up a simple online store using platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Shopify. Then, promote your product on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest, showing how it solves a real problem. Use short videos, testimonials, and value-driven content to attract buyers. The best part? It's passive income. Once your digital product is live, it can generate sales even while you sleep. Keep improving your offers, listen to customer feedback, and build an audience around your brand. With consistency and creativity, selling digital products can become your path to true financial freedom. 2. Start YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel is one of the best ways to build a personal brand and earn money doing what you love. Begin by choosing a niche that you're genuinely passionate about, whether it's fitness, tech, beauty, education, gaming, travel, or personal finance. Your niche should blend your interests with something people are searching for. Next, create a clear channel name and eye-catching profile with a logo and banner that reflect your theme. Plan your content around what your target audience needs: tutorials, reviews, motivational videos, or entertainment. Don't worry about having fancy equipment at first. Even a smartphone and good lighting are enough to get started. The real key is consistency. Upload videos regularly and focus on quality storytelling, not just production. Learn basic video editing to keep your content engaging and fast-paced. Once you start gaining views and subscribers, enable monetization through YouTube's partner program and explore other income streams like affiliate marketing, sponsorships, and selling digital products. Promote your videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Remember, every big creator started with 0 views. It's your consistency, creativity, and value that will help your channel grow and turn your passion into profit. 3. Invest in stocks and crypto. Investing in stocks and crypto is one of the smartest ways to build wealth and create long-term financial freedom. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about letting your money work for you. Start by learning the basics. Stocks represent ownership in companies, while cryptocurrencies are digital assets powered by blockchain technology. When you invest in stocks, you're betting on businesses that grow and pay dividends over time. When you invest in crypto, you're participating in a fast-evolving digital economy with high risk, but also high reward potential. Begin small. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use trusted platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or Binance to start buying small amounts. Diversify your portfolio by spreading your money across different assets instead of putting it all into one stock or coin. Research before investing. Understand what the company or crypto project actually does, their leadership, and future potential. Focus on long-term growth, not short-term hype. Reinvest your profits. Keep learning, and stay calm during market ups and downs. Over time, consistent investing, even a small amount monthly, can grow into a powerful source of passive income. The key is patience, discipline, and knowledge. With smart strategies, investing in stocks and crypto can turn into one of the most rewarding financial decisions of your life. 4. Rental properties. Investing in rental properties is one of the most reliable ways to build long-term wealth and generate steady passive income. When you own real estate, you're not just buying a building, you're investing in an asset that can grow in value while paying you monthly through rent. Start by researching the real estate market in your area or cities with strong job growth and demand for housing. Look for properties in safe neighborhoods with good schools, low vacancy rates, and potential for appreciation. Begin small, maybe a single-family home or a duplex, and use the rental income to cover the mortgage, maintenance, and taxes. The goal is positive cash flow, where your rent exceeds your expenses. Over time, you can reinvest your profits into more properties and scale your portfolio. Even if you don't want to manage tenants yourself, you can hire a property management company to handle everything, from rent collection to repairs, turning your investment into a truly passive income stream. As property values rise and mortgages are paid down, your net worth grows. Plus, real estate offers tax benefits like depreciation and deductions. With patience, smart planning, and consistent effort, rental properties can become a foundation for financial freedom and generational wealth. 5. Vehicle rental. Earning money from vehicle rentals is a powerful way to turn everyday cars, bikes, or scooters into income-generating assets. You don't need to own a large fleet to start. Just one vehicle can get you going. Platforms like Turo, Getaround, or Carazzo allow you to list your car for rent when you're not using it, connecting you with verified drivers who need short-term transportation. You earn passive income every time your vehicle is rented out, and the platforms usually include insurance coverage and safety techs for peace of mind. If you don't own a car, you can still get involved through vehicle rental arbitrage, leasing a car at a fixed monthly rate and renting it out for high profits. Some people even manage fleets by partnering with car owners who don't have time to list their vehicles and then taking commission from each booking. You can also branch out into niche rentals, like luxury cars for events, motorcycles for tourists, or delivery scooters for gig workers. The key is keeping your vehicles clean, well-maintained, and easy to book. Promote your listings on social media and local platforms to reach more renters. With consistency, great customer service, and a solid online presence, a simple vehicle rental side hustle can grow into a full-fledged business that earns you steady monthly income. 6. Run vending machines. Running vending machines is a smart and practical way to earn steady income with minimal daily effort. The idea is simple. You place vending machines in high-traffic areas like schools, offices, gyms, hospitals, or apartment buildings. Stock them with snacks, drinks, or even niche product like healthy snacks or tech accessories, and earn money every time someone makes a purchase. You don't need a big investment to start. You can buy a used vending machine or start with just one and grow over time. Once you find a good location, because location is everything, you'll start seeing regular sales. You can negotiate a small rental commission with the property owner to keep your machine there. Keep your machine stocked, clean, and working properly to build trust and attract repeat customers. You can even modernize your business with cashless payment systems, allowing people to pay with cards or mobile apps, which increases sales. Some entrepreneurs use smart vending machines that send alerts when stock is low or track sales automatically. As your profits grow, reinvest in more machines and expand to multiple locations. The beauty of the vending machine business is that it runs 24/7. You earn money even when you're asleep. With consistency, good maintenance, and smart placement, running vending machines can turn into a reliable, semi-passive income stream that builds real financial independence. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.